people are crazy about this coffee. What's good in this coffee? So it is very easy to make. So I will try myself and see. So this is the coffee that I'm going to use. It's Taster Choice Nescafe. This is my husband's favorite. So I need I already measured this. It's 2 tablespoons too. And I need 2 tablespoons of hot water. Look at my Dalgona coffee. It looks so yummy. That's why so many people are so crazy about it. So I will try this time. And I hope my boys would like it too. Right? So you can use a straw or you can taste of sweetness in it, and when I mix it with the milk, it will be better. So this is my Dalgona coffee.